Wait for it.
Wait for what?
Well, I was hoping for some kind of dramatic reveal, but my time is...
It's a Galilei rocket, so what, man?
Yeah, well, that there Galilei rocket is number 4. The satellites they're carrying, all Bloom.
Shit.
Yeah.
It's just got interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Those satellites are putting a lot of data out of our reach.
This is next level shit, my friend. You've been waiting for your chance to hit Bloom.
Yeah, now we can hit them fucking hard. You're thinking about putting a little something on their next satellite launch and piggybacking into orbit?
Uh-huh.
You a crazy motherfucker, man.
I'm out of this world, baby.
Oh, shit.
You drive.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, you wanna kiss my child rebel soldier, hit that air, put the combo, Act 47 in the dress on a rhino. Commodore like Lionel soon. Hard at it, like a blue rainbow. And my rider with my main all night long. 1 second I'm here, next second I'm gone. Just 2 and 60 seconds, what you on? Girls on me like it's super glued on. Like a table you can place food on.
Drop me off at the hackerspace. I'll look through our intel on Galilei and talk you through the building. If this works, we'll have a Martian's eye view of Bloom's server farm and all the sweet, juicy data contained therein.
A big company like Bloom must have server farms across the country.
Well, with any luck, we'll key into one farm and use it to find the others.
We've been trying so long to keep up with Silicon Valley, I want DedSec to be on the same playing field. For everything we've done, we still don't know exactly what Dushan's up to.
You think we'll find dick pics?
Have you been listening in on our convos, Tara?
If we get a hold of a douche and dick pic, we have the ultimate leverage.
Yeah, especially if it's small or warty.
Guys,
And knowing him, his dick probably has its own fucking man bun on it.
dude.
Hipster dick. I like. Hi, I'm Hipster Dick. I only wear skinny condoms.
Yeah, I wasn't circumcised before it was cool.
I'm surrounded by children.
All right, guys. That's enough. We've upset Pops over here.
Now you call when you get to Galilei. They'll have a satellite waiting for you.
Me and one of your magic clipper chips.
Magic, yes. Clipper chip, go fuck yourself. Ever think you'd make it this far?
Honestly, I never thought this far was possible.